Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mr. Muhammad Ehsan Chattha, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Government Degree College, Chitrawatne. Dear student of the 4th year Physical Chemistry, today we study about the Bragg equation. Today we study about the Bragg equation. Bragg equation is about X-rays diffraction between the crystal layers, X-rays diffraction pattern. Bragg equation basically about the X-rays diffractions. As we know that any crystal consists of various atoms, ions, molecule. These atoms, ions, molecule are three-dimensionally arranged. There is certain systematic pattern. These जो specially arranged atoms, ions, molecule, they form the crystal. When we say the X-rays, these are the shorter wavelength electromagnetic radiation. When shorter wavelength X-rays strike on these crystal, these crystal they deflect light, they diffract wavelength from their layers of the various crystal, such as first layers one wavelength diffracted from from the incident to diffracted certain angle form diffracting grating. In this way, the diffracting grating light penetrate inside the various layers of the crystal and diffracting grating pattern take place. In this way, we derive an equations from these values that there is a certain relationship between the wavelength and spacing. There is certain relationship between the wavelength and spacing. Then that relationship between the wavelength and spacing is known as Bragg equation. That equation is especially known as Bragg equation. It is just like you are saying, you are knowing that lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. 2 is for the two layers and d for the spacing. 2d sin theta. This is the relationship between the wavelength and spacing. The relationship between the wavelength and spacing is known as Bragg equations, or this is take place when various wavelengths strike on the crystal and diffracted from the various its layers and diffracted grating pattern is formed. Consider a figures in given figures that figures contains the various layers A, B, or C, and these are in bottom from 1 to second, third, so on. When crystal have these crystal have some incident light strike on any value such as lambda, then it is diffracted at certain angle. Then another light that penetrate inside the crystal, that have diffracted from the another point, and third light penetrate the 3D spacing and it have again diffracted at certain angle. Let's say certain triangles have LQ have divided by Q. It's always we know that when divide the perpendicular by base, its value always equal to sin theta, and sin theta when determined to the base value it is equal to sin theta multiplied by the spacing, that is equal to theta, and you have d theta spacing is equal to d theta. So the its value will be is equal to 2 d sin theta. When we take the two layers, so it is multiply with its then it become the 2d sin theta. So n is the integer, the number of the layers of the crystals, to number of wavelength that are present, number of wavelength that penetrate inside the crystal, that would be equal to the spacing. If the one wavelength is one spacing, then 2d sin theta. If the two wavelength, then 3d sin theta. If 3 and more than 4d, 5d and 6d spacing have take place. Also the correlation, relationship between the spacing and wavelength relationship, n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta, is known as Bragg equation. This is the pattern of X-rays diffraction from the crystal. Thank you.